tayo sa Laguna and mag-interview tayo.
Wala tayo sa Laguna, dito.
Laguna nga pala. Ito po ang Laguna chapter head, si Ate Erica May Austria. So, how was Icon 2017 for you?
Ito yung mic.
Hey, fun.
Icon for the 17th for me is...
Oh,
It's really okay.
you're international delegate.
Yeah.
I'm from
Yes, yun ang gusto ng ano. So, thank you po, Tega. So, sino po sila? Let's see. Interview natin si Ate Sam.
Ba't ako naman?
Say hi to the camera.
Boyfriend ko to, guys.
So, ano po, did you make new friends sa Icon 2017?
Yes, ako.
Can you give some names? Was Icon 2017 fun for you? Are you excited for this year's youth camp?
Yes.
Sino ba pong gustong magsagot ng interview?
Tita Lydia, Tita Lydia.
Lydia po, si Tita Lydia. Si ano daw po, si
Bitin.
kasama natin dito si ate. What's her name?
Liza Sobrano.
Okay. Dito po sila Sobrano sa Icon 2017.
Wait na, babati mo na sa mga kabayan ko. Binabati ko nga pala. Man, dito na. Wait lang, super funny. Ayun lang, mabuhay. Wow, parang sa ibang bansa. Yun lang. So,
So,
ano tanong mo? Go.
Mahal mo ba si Greg?
Oo.
Ano po yung most memorable experience niyo po dito sa Icon 2017?
Well, my family. I told you that. Wala lahat. Seryoso ba itong interview?
Seryoso po ito.
Ipapost niyo ba yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Post niyo.
Ate,
Busy po ako. May shoot.
so YFC,
Ang taray, busy
bawal
pa.
lang?
Bawal KJ sa ano.
YFC wala?
Yung PA ko.
Oh, wala daw pong KG sa YFC. Sasagutin niya po naman.
Walang bitina.
Ano po yung most memorable experience ito?
Yung ano, worship.
Worship. Ano po yung, ba't po siya naging memorable sa inyo? Ay, kay Makisig po. Ano pong meron kay Makisig?
Nagkaroon ako ng long live.
Let's give her a round of applause, everyone.
So, ayan na, alam na ng lahat.
So, yun po, guys. Kami na po yung official
Sorry sa
girlfriend ni
fans ng
Makisig.
friends ko, pero...
Itag niyo po sa FB si Makisig, Ablaze Communications. Hi guys, papunta na po kami ngayon sa Vegan. Ilocos.
Ay, i-vlog natin mula dito. Bye po.
Bye po.
Ingat, ingat.
Hey guys, nandito na naman kami sa Ilocos Norte. And we're currently at
Malacanang, Malacanang.
So kasama po namin dito ang aming mga YFCs. Galing po kami ng Icon 2017.
Hello, kita. Annyeong.
Currently, naghihintay po kami sa pila. So,
Magkano yung red pila?
nga pala, 30 pesos ang so, pumunta dito. Kasi, wala eh, nag-grab talaga ako. Nag-grab talaga ako eh. Kailangan ko maging bata. Kasi 10 pesos ang rich bit na.
Bata.
Oh, bata.
Come on, yeah, speak the last behind you. I got this wondering, let your glory shine on our face. So sing out, shout all the stuff for all dark hair.
So, papasok na kami, guys.
Oo nga guys. Oo.
Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na, guys. Sa gitna lang tayo. Walang hiwalayan.
Just sing the glory of Jesus, the King above all kings. And as the nations sing the glory of Jesus, the King above all kings. So come on, sing out his praise together. Last behind you are God's wonders. Let your glory shine on our face. So sing out, shout out the stuff that our God has won. With His love, His love. The world will hold fast, it will never be moved. For our hope is in you. Your people will stand, waiting for the promise that is you. As the nations sing the glory of Jesus, the King above all kings. And as the nations sing the glory of Jesus, the King above all kings. So come on, sing out.
Pababa na kami ngayon kasi inuna namin yung taas.
Oo nga eh.
It was lit.
Nakakapagod.
Ang ganda.
Guys, abangan niyo yung mga photoshoot ko sa vlog.
Abangan.
Saan yung stairs? Andun yung...
Eto na, feel na namin paglalakad. Mali pala kami ang tinadaan.
Uy.
So come on, sing out his praise together. Last behind you are God's wonders. Let your glory shine on our face. So sing out, shout out the stuff that our God has won. With His love, His love. So come on, sing out his praise together. Last behind you are God's wonders. Let your glory shine on our face. So sing out, shout out the stuff that our God has won. With His love, His love. With His love, His love. With His love.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
ako sa aking best friend. Hi guys, nandito na po kami sa Vegan City. Dito na po kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta?
Punta natin sa... Basta dun sa Kaling Maganda. Kaling Maganda.
Kaling mo.
Ayan, actually bagong gising lang kami lahat. Bangag.
I can't wait to see it.
Excited kami pero hindi halata kasi bagong gising na.
Now I know it's true that this love is true. Now we're living I will lift your name on high.
Ayun no,
Hi, guys!
Kali Cristologo na kami.
Sologo. As you can see, madami pong dumadaang kalesa. So, here po photoshoot dito.
Ang dami pa ding boy.
Yes.
Icon vegan na. Oh my God.
Ay, nagulo ako.
Nasa ba yun?
Yung I'll never...
Love this way again! Hello mga ka-YFC! Balik na po kami ngayon sa Vegan. Bye-bye! 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 One man! One man! Let's go!
I hear your voice, oh God. I feel your presence. I have grown in love with you. What I only want is you, Lord. Your grace is sufficient. Your embrace is all I need to be with you, my God. It's all I ever desire. Oh God, it's enough for me. Nothing else will ever be, and I am satisfied, for I have found my peace. Oh God, it's enough for me. Baby-faced, worldly lures, get confused at times. Lord, when I hear you call, I'm safe and run to you. Oh God, it's enough for me. Nothing else